Mistakes are always welcome, especially cleaning ones. This little spinning brush can be used for cleaning almost everything. You can use a slime to clean the inside of your car. This floor wiper is everything. Just look at what it can do. A wonderful idea for the toothpaste. Cleaning is fun when you have the right tools. Your favorite plants and shoes deserve to have a nice place. Just the right pillow for your bed. Cover all those damaged pieces of furniture with this sticker. Here's the hack for watering your plants. This sponge makes wonders. Here's to better ideas. These plastics help you organize your shelves better. We think of bags too. This hanger sticks whenever you want, unfolds and holds your socks. Haven't we all been in this position? Here's the solution. And a nice little holder for it too. Now, this is very well thought.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.